No?
Not at all. Coach kind of felt like it was no way we could be distracted being so far away from home. But I feel like we're more focused with our fans and everybody supporting us all.
I don't know how much of a football fan you are, but their coach, Dana Altman, was preparing for Louisville is like football teams preparing for Oregon, who plays at a very fast, relentless pace. I'm wondering if you can relate to that.
That's big. Oregon's one of the top teams in the country, honestly. So for them to put that on us, that's some pressure, I want to say. But it's going to be a fun game. They play really fast how we play, but they're playing really well right now. They're shooting the ball magnificent, and if we don't take that three-point line away, it'll be a long night.
Can you talk about just your development this year? It seemed like maybe a month and a half ago, you really got comfortable with your game again.
It was just coach having confidence in me. Like I always say, my teammates having confidence in me. I just had to start playing basketball.
It's probably going to be a really fast game. They have really quick guards. How often do you think that you guys are going to be coming in and out of the game, like on subs?
I feel like we'll be playing the same way, same rotations as we were. It's kind of playing it to our advantage because we like to wear teams down with our press. So them playing fast is feeding into our hands, but they're playing so hot right now we can't even really look at it like that.
They talked about playing 2 point guards. What will that do to help them bring the ball up the floor against Charles' pressure?
I honestly couldn't tell you. We prepare the same way every day, so we just got to look at it like there's more pressure on those 2 guards and wear them down as quick as we can.
Do you have a definitive game, like just individually? Was there one game that you point to as kind of where you put everything together?
I want to say after my suspension, I just felt like I had to start playing basketball. It was just going to be another guy on the bench, honestly. I think it was the Marquette game I came back. That led into, I can't even remember what game it was, but after the Marquette game, I kind of got the feel again of how I need to be playing and doing the little things, because I don't have to go out and score 20 points or 15 points because we got Russ and Payne and Gorgie and those guys. So just doing the little things, rebounding, steals, getting assists, that really just helps me.
Would you say